What's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna show y'all how to design t-shirts like Hellstar records. I made these two shirt designs, so let's get into it. Alright, first off, welcome back to Unbroken Studios, art and design studio, you know what I'm saying? So today, if y'all don't know what Hellstar is, I'm trying to recreate, you know what I'm saying, like a concept for their brand. They really known for like the flames in their designs and like two-tone colorways and like this grunge kind of vintage aesthetic to them. So I'm trying to make a loose concept, not even a loose concept. I'm just trying to like recreate like their brand style. You know what I'm saying? So I go in with this H. Their logo is a face with like flames behind it. I'll pop it up on screen right quick if y'all haven't seen it. If y'all don't know what Hellstar is, it's real similar to that, and just to, you know what I'm saying, to avoid any trouble, I'm just trying to like just make it just a teeniest bit different, you feel me? But yeah, for me, if y'all don't know, I'm starting a clothing brand. Well, I'm not starting. If y'all don't know, I'm relaunching my clothing brand, Unbroken Art and Design Studio, excuse me. I'm aiming to go for, I don't want to go for an exact look how Hellstar got, but something in that same realm, like the vintage grunge type look, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to straight up copy it, like I'm just showing y'all how easy it is to replicate, you know what I'm saying, motifs and art directions and brands. So I came up with the words, is this heaven? And then Hellstar at the bottom. So I'm gonna just, you know what I'm saying, really all I do is just play around with some of the words and, you know what I'm saying, some of the links of the words and the handles. So I feel like Hellstar, like the brand, would like make something similar to this, so I just went with it. You're just adjusting the tracking, make sure everything fits the way it's supposed to fit. And I know I'm going kind of fast, but these videos take like I think this one is like 2 hours long, you know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to condense it into like 10 minutes, so I know I hear y'all in the comments I'm going a little bit fast, but when I do my tutorials, I'll slow it down. And this is just a basic design that I feel like I'll see on most of Hellstar's clothes. They also have this like shooting star kind of icon that I'm trying to replicate. Then I want to make like a little drop shadow, but the words are in black, so I end up just using the bottom Hellstar as for like the drop shadow. And as you see, the way I work in Illustrator, I like to make copies of the stuff and put off to the side just in case I mess something up the way I don't want to, you know what I'm saying? I can always go back to the previous thing that I was working on. And this is the final concept of shirt design number 1, so let's get into shirt design number 2. So number 2, I know I wanted like this bulge effect for the word sound, because I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think they're like a music company or something with sound, you feel me? Because I know that the name is Hellstar Records, so I'm thinking it's music. So I wanted the word sound in there for some reason, I don't know. And really I'm just playing around with the, you know what I'm saying, like words and icons and stuff just to make sure I can get like a solid looking design. But I knew I wanted some words to wrap around the word sound. So what I do is I just use sound off. I don't know, it's like turning off headphones or something, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Then I also see in like Hellstar's motifs that they have this like dotted line kind of starburst effect in most of their graphics. I tried to recreate that, but it didn't work with like the composition stuff I was trying to put onto it. So you'll see here in a second, I'll get rid of it. So moving into Photoshop, I took a picture of this random person meditating, and luckily it was already in black and white, so I just take it, kind of clean it up a little bit, put a color overlay on it, kind of skinny out the neck just to make it look more female-like, and then my intention is to put flames around the head, like I don't know, like flaming hair or something like that. I'm not the best at freehand drawing. I'm using my mouse for this, so it's kind of hard. I take this and I put it back in Illustrator. I throw an image trace on it and get rid of the white. And I throw some color on the flames, and they known for like this purplish, like pink and off-white kind of color, so kind of use that. And now I'm trying to fit, you know what I'm saying, some stuff in the composition. I know it looks, from your point of view, it looks real crazy, a bunch of stuff on the screen, you know what I'm saying, but I know where I'm gonna put everything on the shirt. So I'm trying to decide placement for this right now. I changed the color of the sound off, and I replace it with the little icon. Put it off to the side in like the little corner. Then I throw it on a mock-up. I think it looks great on a white shirt. And then I add the Hellstar to it. And I know they have a design on their shirt that has a bunch of stars, but it just, I don't know, I just didn't like the way it looked on this particular design, so I scrapped it. And yeah, that's the finished design. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, and we out. Catch y'all later.